number one. Quite a chilly wee wind. Stunning views. Looking back a wage into the start. Right, very chilly, I'll need to get a wee jacket on. So, I'm at the summit of the first Munro. That's it just there obviously. I've got the tent, I'm doing a summit camp. But it's a bit windy at the summit and it's too rocky. There's not really anywhere decent for pitching a tent. So what I'm going to do, that's the second Munro, so I'm going to drop a good bit of height up over there, and then depending on the time, it's 25 past 4 just now, so depending on the time I'm going to pitch somewhere over there. If I get to the second Munro, great. If no, I'll just be in that middle section somewhere depending on time and daylight. So I'm going to go back up to the cairn, get my rucksack back on, get a move on. Cheers! Alright there, that's where I've dropped down from. That was the first Munro up there. So I've dropped down a wee like bit here. And then as I swing round, I'm heading up there to where I showed you earlier. More suitable ground to get the tent up. So I'm going to crack on, just get up, want to gain a bit of height and take it from there. Cheers. Hello there, it's exactly 5:30, so I've decided just to, well, I'm going to pitch the tent just here, so I'm slightly in between the two Munros. That's the summit of the second one, so I think it'd be a wee bit push for time to try to get up there and get the tent up for still daylight. If I swing the camera around, that was the first one. So I've dropped for there and then came up onto this section I'm on just now. So I'm going to try and get the tent up. Obviously there's a slight wee dip here, so I'm hoping that keeps me out the strongest of the wind. But obviously if I was up in the summit, I'd be worried it'd be quite windy during the night and stuff. So I'm just going to put the tent here, and it's a decent wee pitch. Maybe not as high as I'd have liked, right enough, but that is what it is. Right, time to get the tent up. Good evening. It's now 6:10, so I've got the tent set up. Everything more or less laid out inside, the sleeping mat, the sleeping bag, etc. Just to empty a couple of things out of the rucksack. So, as I say, it's 6:10. The tent's up. So it's probably a good idea to set it there where I did, rather than try to get up that hill and then rushing about in the last of the daylight. So, obviously with daylight's left, I'm just going to come out here and get some last views before it gets dark. That obviously, with the snow, it was the first Munro earlier on. And that down there is Loch Motherdock. That's all the other Munros at the other side of that. So I'm glad I got some views before obviously before it's dark, got the tent set up. Got a wee bit of daylight left just to take it in. Have a wee bit of time myself because it's been non-stop. Left Glasgow this morning at 7. Drove pretty much all the way up here, up to Inverness and then down the other side of Loch Ness, down to Drumnadrocket and then into Glen Affric. And then from there, pretty much non-stop. Started at 1:45, I think. So, some cracking views. Obviously it's getting dark. I don't know how good the GoPro will pick up on the lack of light. If I should see that no bother with the white on it. I think it would have been really chilly and there was a strong wind up there earlier on when I was there. So it's not so bad now, there is a wee wind but it's no ain't like it was up there. Could hear the stags bellowing down below somewhere. There you go, right on cue. What a big yawn. So obviously tomorrow morning, whatever time I get up, that's my second one, and then it's just a walk south off the top of that back to the beginning. Go switch off now and have a wee bit of time myself and take in the views, alright? Cheers. Well, cheers. It's amazing how much better you feel once you've had something hot to drink. And I've got a hot meal just about to be ready in 2 minutes. So I've got a nice beefy Bovril drink, lovely, nice and warm. And in there I've got couscous with Cajun spices and vegetables. So that's just about ready, so I'm just about to tuck into that. Wait. My lovely drink, there's not much left, but that was lovely. Oh, wonderful. Time for some food now. Good morning, good morning. It's, what time is it? It's nearly 8:15. So, terrible night's sleep. The wind just gets stronger and stronger all night. Tent was just flapping about crazy. So I never got much of a sleep. So it was just getting stronger and stronger. So I bailed about back at 6 this morning. I got up, started obviously trying to pack all my stuff away inside the tent. Eventually got the tent away, obviously pitch black still. Walked up to the second summit, obviously still in the darkness. I think I got up there about 10 to 8, quarter to 8, still howling a wind. So I never stayed long at the summit. So I've dropped obviously a few hundred metres. What a difference it makes. You're out the clag and the cloud, it started getting a wee bit brighter. The sun's obviously about there somewhere behind that bit of cloud. So when I'm out the clag I can see obviously where I'm heading, back down to the path for the walkout. Nice colours there behind the cloud. So a terrible night's sleep, as I say, it's actually getting a wee bit scary because you're just visualising that tent getting blown away and you're inside it. So that's why I just decided to get packed up and then walking up to that summit in the darkness. The wind howling. Anyway, I go there, dropped off the summit, and that's where I'm heading. Down there to the trees. Right, onwards or upwards, or downwards. Back to the car, cheers. Remember folks, if you enjoyed this video, please like, leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you. More videos coming soon.